Hi everyone, this is Ella OTL. These earthquake cookies are perfect for a holiday season with allspice and cinnamon. I tend to bake them in winter. Before we start, let's preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. These are ingredients for the earthquake cookies. If you don't have allspice, try to substitute it with cardamom. We're going to mix wet ingredients with sugar first. Add 2/3 cup of cooking oil, half cup of white sugar, half cup of brown sugar, and mix it well. Add 1/4 cup of molasses. Now, mix dry ingredients together. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon ground ginger, half teaspoon allspice, and 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Sift dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Mix it well to form a dough. You're going to refrigerate the dough for at least 1 hour. Shape the dough into 1-inch ball. I'm using a measuring spoon here. Coat each ball in white sugar and place it on a cookie pan. Place these balls 2 inches apart from each other. Bake them at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for about 12 to 13 minutes or until they are lightly brown. And you're done! Enjoy your earthquake cookies!